everybody, welcome back to my channel. Tonight I wanted to do a little catch-up work and backtrack some BoxyCharm and Icon boxes that I did not film over the past 7 months when I took my little break from YouTube. So right now I am opening the April BoxyCharm. The theme for this was nourish your skin, savor a sweet treat, soak in the beauty of nature, and indulge in life's simple pleasures. Let your glow run wild. We love glowing, we love sweet treats, so let's get into it. First, I'm gonna go over the add-ons. You know I had to add on some products. In April, which I guess is where I left off filming last, I did order this Juice Commodity perfume. I love trying new perfumes, and I know it's a risk ordering them online, but sometimes you get a good one, and I do like to gift them if I don't personally like them. So, goodness, I really ruined the box opening this one. Whoops. So the bottle's actually very tiny for how big the box was. I thought it would be at least like 3.4, but it looks like a 1.7. Oh wow, that is actually really nice. Okay, honestly, this is such a beautiful smelling perfume. It has like a masculine note to it, at the same time being really sweet and juicy, but it has a very clean, fresh, masculine undertone, and I am definitely going to be keeping this one. That is absolutely delicious. Wow. I mean, oh my gosh, wow. This might have just become one of my favorite perfumes. Holy cow. I'm gonna have to look up the notes in that. Notes are strawberry, rhubarb, raspberry with a base of amberwood. So the amberwood must be what's giving me that masculine note. This is a beautifully blended perfume. It is so well balanced between masculine and feminine. Oh my God. Try this. You need to try this. Okay, back to the add-ons. I did add on the Rhodiol Dragon's Blood Eye Gel, Hydrate and Tone. You guys know I love Rhodiol. I'm never gonna pass up a deal on Rhodiol. I love them. I will gift them. I will use them. Love Rhodiol every time. I also did add on 2 Natasha Denona lipsticks, one in Peony and one in Daphne. Let me open these up real quick for you. Now, I do believe these are matte lipsticks. Natasha Denona, the packaging is gorgeous. They're very heavy. I mean, I appreciate a luxury product as much as the next girl. So this is Daphne, and it's this beautiful peach. It actually does have a satin finish. So this is a great nude color. The packaging is gorgeous, literally. It's so beautiful. And this one is a little bit lighter. This one's called Peony. Let's see how they compare. Okay, much more pink Peony is. So that's Peony and that's Daphne. Beautiful. These would look great with a brown lip liner, even a red lip liner. You could like go either way with these because they're a nude, you know? And then I did add on this little Natasha Denona mini bronze palette. Again, Natasha Denona, I'm not gonna pass it up. IPSY gives such great deals on these products, and these colors are right up my alley. Look at how cute this little palette is. It's perfect for traveling. It has everything you need to do like a bronze look from daytime to nighttime. This rosy color and this orange color, this like burnt orange brick color. You could get so many looks out of this tiny little palette. Love it. Okay, that is all for my add-ons. So let's get into what came with my April BoxyCharm. First is the Watermelon Dream Saltwater Scrub. I love having soft skin, and to do that you need to scrub in the shower, like literally. So honestly, this product, it's a little separated, maybe because, it smells like a watermelon lollipop. I know, it looks like kind of dried out in there. That might be because Maybe I'll need to like give it a little mix. I'm not sure. But I am gonna go ahead and put this in my shower and start using it immediately. Next, what came is the Beauty For Real Lip Revival High Shine Oil and Raspberry Sorbet. Okay, ooh, look at that color. Oh, that is such a gorgeous pink. Of the Gods, Filla Nitro, Caffeine and Retinol Under Eye Patches. These are great. I love caffeine for the under eye. And then of course the Rhodial Salicylic Acid. You guys know I love Rhodial products, so definitely will be going in the Apothecary in the bathroom. It's a pore refining cleanser. Love it. And lastly is the Thankyou Glass Skin Shine Muscat Cleansing Foam. So I guess I got 2 cleansers in this. I think I've been on like a clean my skin kick. I do have a Thankyou lip gloss. It's fine. I keep it in my gym bag. I'm not in love with it, to be honest. There are better products out there, so I'm curious how their cleansing foam performs. Let's see. I'd have to open it to smell it. It does smell really good. It smells like super clean. I just don't love the packaging. It looks a little juvenile. Between the two, I'm gonna go Rhodial every time, but I will try both products and let you know what I think. That is what was in my April BOXY Charm of 2025. Thank you for watching.